Meaning of far from the madding crowd.
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 Far from the madding crowd. Far from the madding crowd is a phrase coined by Thomas Hardy that means being removed from the chaos and noise of everyday life. The novel itself explores the lives and loves of three men who are vying for the attention of Bathsheba Everdeen, a strong-willed and independent woman. Through their interactions with her, each character learns about themselves and the nature of love, loss, and forgiveness. Ultimately, the novel highlights the beauty and tragedy of human relationships in the face of societal expectations and individual desires.